morning, Tilt Up World. Scott Johnson here, hanging out with Ben Zimmerman from
Procon.
You and I were talking just a few minutes ago about the evolution of your industry and your company. What do you think is the biggest evolution you've seen with you guys over the last few years?
We've moved into adhesives due to customer requests. So initially we were nailing down everything across the board and had multiple customers ask us to not poke holes in the slag. So I started exploring adhesives and found out that we can actually do the job quicker and have better quality by using those.
Out here with Bernardo. How long you been with Procon, Bernardo?
Since 2011.
So what we're out doing today is we're kind of focusing on the forming side of Tilt Up, right? Everybody stands a wall, but how did we get there? So I got a question for Bernardo. What do you think has been the most impactful technological change for Tilt Up, especially in the forming side in the past, I don't know, 10 years?
We've been used to use WeatherGrip a lot, and that's what we like about glue in general. And we have also used the brackets and the reveals and double chamfers. I've been seeing that my guys can move pretty fast with gluing them down instead of nailing it down and don't have to worry about holes in general after the fact. And it's a good product. It stays in place. We don't have to worry about it too much as long as we do what we're supposed to. Make sure that our surface is clean and everything that we use is compatible. It just works like it's supposed to. Stays in place.
This building right here, you just built this one, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. A lot of efficiency. You're becoming a middle hole or no hole slab company.
Yes, and ultimately creating a better quality product for our customers.
We didn't want to turn this into a glue down commercial, but the technology at WeatherGrip has made this guy happy, and we appreciate it. Thank you, Bernardo.
Appreciate it. Yes, sir.